So the standard kit, the side panels are basically full length side panels with engraved lines to look like concrete panels, and I painted this in a concrete colour, although much probably needs a couple more different colours, and you get your two end pieces as well, so you get two of those. On the dead end one you will get two of these, you'll get your end pads, and you'll get your larger one that goes on to the side of the door as well, and you'll also get the end panel, which is about this size. I haven't got one to hand here to show you, but it goes literally on the back and it will fit along that panel there. So this is the standard version of the dead end kit with the concrete paneling all the way down the sides, and obviously you get your corrugated ends around the side, you get your roof parts as well, and you'll get the lintel which goes from here to there, so you'll have your side piece which goes around to the side, which will match the dead end one, and then you get an additional part that go on here. You may need to trim this depending on how you've built it, and again you get your doors and then your frame as well. So you'll get concrete lintels, which is an MDF piece, and obviously it needs to be painted. Obviously I've done this in a deck tan colour to represent a kind of concrete. For the through road you'll get just two of these. If you go for the dead end you'll get two of these, and you'll get this middle piece as well, because this is the piece which will join onto here that will go along the back over the side of the concrete panels, so they need to be painted. So two pieces just for the through road, three pieces for the dead end. And then if we look inside, I've done the standard panels, so that's just a basic blank panel instead of brickwork. I've painted it white, and then you'll get your door and your door frame, and then you get your inner frames to go around the acrylic for your vents. Now this one here has the revised middle panel. I didn't do that to the sides, this is a new feature, so I'm going to be doing those as all the kits, and obviously that's a standard roof. And then if we look at the top, at the front, then you'll have your doors. Now I forgot to mask off the door areas, so when I sprayed it white, I've now got white windows. You'll see on this one there's a concrete lintel above, but that won't be part of the pack. I've made this go down slightly lower, so obviously it will just butt up to the door frame.